Whether you prefer tea or coffee, something is soothing about a cup of tea. This drink isn't just relaxing. A mug of tea can have health benefits, such as prevention and cardiovascular disease prevention. It may also help you in your weight loss efforts. Even the best teas for weight loss won't make you lose weight or fat overnight. Sorry. However, they can be an excellent addition to a healthy diet or fitness routine. In this video, Clove Tea Benefits, plus Clove Tea Benefits for weight loss, plus Clove Tea new video. We will show you all the excellent benefits of clove tea, and how it will improve your health and your journey to lose weight.
There are many benefits of clove tea. It is best to drink it in the morning as an energy boost. While excess amounts of cloves can be harmful, it is safe to consume 1 or 2 cups daily. The most notable benefits of this herbal tea are antiseptic, antiviral, and antimicrobial properties. It can even help people lose weight, since it improves digestion. It is recommended to drink clove tea in the morning and evening only.
Clove tea and weight loss.
Cloves, also known as long in Hindi, is a common spice that can easily be found in every Indian kitchen. Due to its unique flavor and aroma, clove is used in many Asian recipes. Despite consuming this spice almost daily, we are unaware of its surprising benefits, including weight loss. Cloves stimulate metabolism, thereby helping in losing weight. The spice also has anti-cholesteremic and anti-lipid properties. When this powerful spice is combined with pepper, cinnamon and cumin seeds, it helps in increasing our metabolic rate, which ultimately helps us lose weight. Apart from this, cloves also contain antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress. The reduced oxidative stress decreases the risk of chronic disease. Cloves are also known to keep blood sugar under control.
Other clove tea benefits.
Clove tea is also known to help with digestive issues. Due to the high content of antioxidants, cloves help keep the digestive system healthy. In addition to that, this tea has also been shown to relieve gas, indigestion, and diarrhea. Furthermore, clove tea can help relieve pain and discomfort in the abdomen. Lastly, clove tea can help with the reduction of bloating. Moreover, clove tea can help with the treatment of various chronic diseases. Another benefit of cloves is that they can aid gastric secretions. As a result, it helps to relieve stomach ache and bloating. Apart from this, they are also packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. This means that a cup of clove tea in the morning is excellent for your health. You can make this tea in your own home with just 2 ingredients. You can add a little honey if you prefer. This beverage is best taken in the morning and can be enjoyed anytime. There are several health benefits of clove tea. It can help fight off bacterial infections, reduce fever, and ease constipation. In addition to these benefits, cloves are packed with antioxidants, which boost the immune system and fight off free radicals. Therefore, you should try drinking a cup of clove tea as part of your daily regimen. And you might even start seeing a difference in your weight in a matter of days. Clove tea may even improve your chances of losing weight.
The best part about clove tea is that it helps you lose weight by boosting your metabolism. You will feel more energetic and less bloated, and you will be more able to get the most out of your daily workout. This is an excellent way to prevent heart disease. Besides, clove tea will help you lose weight because of its antioxidants. These compounds will help you burn fat and improve your immune system. You will be able to enjoy a cup of clove tea with honey if you want to. The benefits of clove tea go beyond the taste. Clove tea boosts your immune system and protects you against various viruses. Cloves are known to help with this during the cold or flu season. The tea is a great way to get your daily dose of this spice. You will be less likely to get sick, which is good news for your overall health. If you suffer from any of these conditions, it is highly recommended to drink clove tea daily. In addition to clove tea's many benefits, clove tea is excellent for digestion. Clove tea helps prevent constipation and indigestion, and improves saliva production. Clove tea can even reduce stomach cramps. In addition to these, the tea contains essential vitamins and minerals that boost your immune system. Clove tea also has antibacterial and antiseptic properties. Clove tea is an excellent choice for those who have a weakened immune system. Clove tea can also be used to fight bacterial infections. Besides promoting your immune system, clove tea can also improve your digestion. It is believed to relax the stomach lining, making it easier to digest food. Additionally, it relieves gas and vomiting and helps ease nausea. For the best results, drink a cup of clove tea each morning. And don't forget to drink it as often as you can. This tea can be a great way to start your day. The benefits of clove tea are a natural cure. This tea can ease tooth pain, reduce stress, and reduce inflammation for the most part. By adding cinnamon, it is a powerful anti-inflammatory remedy. However, the anti-inflammatory effects of clove tea are more subtle. If you're suffering from a headache, it can help relieve the pain and restore your health. In this video, you have discovered clove tea has many benefits, and you should drink it in the morning and at night. The most notable benefits of this herbal tea are antiseptic, antiviral, and antimicrobial properties. It can even help people lose weight, since it improves digestion.